Hi guys, I just wanted to pause this video because there is so many things I wanted to share with you. Um, Basically, I'm trying to post a new video starting from February 1st, if I'm not, yeah, from February 1st. I was trying to do like Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, but every time when I was trying to do that video, there is something happening every time. First, I cut my finger and I wasn't able to move my finger so I can hold like makeup brush or something else to do my makeup. After 10 days, my finger was recovered, but then I had extremely big breakout on my top lip, and my top lip was extremely like very big, and I wasn't even able to talk. I don't know why, but there is so many things are happening. But every time when I'm trying to do a new video, something is happening. Like something is happening always. So much things are going on right now. I'm so much stressed currently. If you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, probably you already know that I live in a homophobic country. Basically, I'm dealing with homophobia every single day, and I'm so tired sometimes. Like, usually I fight, I am trying to be strong, but sometimes I just can't handle, I can't deal with all the homophobia and stuff like that. Today, because my neighbors, this is what I'm talking about. This is already like 20 days, and every single day from the morning till the night, we are surrounded by this. Our neighbors are making something in their home, I don't know. So basically today we called to the police because we contacted our neighbor. We asked him to start doing his work when it's 11 a.m. But he's starting 9 p.m. every single day. Basically, because of my anxiety and all the stuff, I'm going to the bed in like 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. And then after 3 hours, I'm waking up because of this. Yeah. And I have currently, like, for the last 20 days, I have probably 3 hours of sleep every single day. So much anxiety is going on right now, so much stress. And the police, when they come, first, the guy, one of the guys, looking me like this. Like the homophobia of his face and the things he was talking to me and how he was protecting them, not me, when I was the one who called them. This is like, me and my mom like were extremely stressed today, and I'm like, why you're trying to protect them? And he's being rude, like literally he's being rude to me, the policeman. It's like, this is the country when I live, surrounded by so much homophobia. Like basically everyone in this country is homophobic and they're not hiding. Like he's being disrespectful and rude and asking me to be not rude to him. He asked me, why you're rude to me? I say, because you're rude to me too. Basically, I don't know, but the police was here at our house today, and we had like very long conversation between us, the police, and our neighbors. Basically, the policeman was very rude. He was saying like, I don't want you to be my friend. I said, I don't want you to be my friend too. Like, who said I want you to be my friend? Like, who the fuck you are? Like, who you are? Basically, he said we are lying and there is not any like disturbing voices, let's say. But can you hear this? Can you hear this? This is every single day from the morning till the night. Basically, the police said in Armenia it's not something which can be, it's normal. He said they can start from 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. and it's normal. We were arguing today and I'm very, very like not scared to be myself and to say what I think. And he was so rude and like, you know what I mean? And I was extremely disappointed because like it's ridiculous. I live in a country when everyone protects bullies, everyone protects the one who is wrong, and everything is like not right in this country. Like I'm scared. I'm literally scared where I live because I'm so tired. And I'm so tired. I'm going to do the video, the Valentine's video, no matter what. I don't care. It's like February 15 today, and I don't care if the Valentine's Day is over. I'll be do the video no matter what. I'll be do it. No matter what, I'll be do it. Even if it's February 17, I'll be do it. I'll be do this video because I wanted to do this video. Also, I wanted to try like mixing all my foundation. Right now, this trend is going on crazy on YouTube, and yeah, there are so many things I wanted to do, but actually, I don't know what is happening. So much anxiety, so much stress, so much like, and you know, when I don't have like sleep, I don't feel good. I mean, it's normal. Everyone is like that. Also, I wanted to talk about like my friends because I have few friends, like online friends, and currently I'm like realizing how much is important to be loyal no matter what. If you're a friend, if you have relationships, and as a friend I'm very loyal, and I think I'm a very good friend. I care so much about my friends. But it really hurts when you're talking to someone, you're friends with someone, and they can literally not act the same way just like you. Because when I'm giving you something, I'm expecting the same. And I'm talking about relationships, not something like financial or something else, just friendship. When I'm being nice to you, when I care about you, when I want to talk to you, I'm expecting the same. But some people are always busy. They have time for their family, they have time for their boyfriends, they have time for their other friends, but they don't have time for you. Especially when you're emotional and you want to talk to someone, and when this person is very important for you, but they don't have time for you and they're always busy, and you can send them message and they can answer you after 15 days. I don't think if it's friendship, or I don't think if it's like honest friendship, because I don't know. And when you think someone is important for you, when you are taking everything seriously, your relationships, and you are like realizing they don't care as much as you care about them, it really hurts. It really hurts. And I don't know, I have friends. For example, I have a friend in United States. Her name is Mika. She's one of the sweetest persons I've ever seen. She's married. She have kids. She's working, but we are talking every single day. She's never ignoring me, or she's never too busy to answer to my messages. And I think everyone can find a little bit time in their day to respond to your messages, even if it's one message, but you can. But when I am messaging to someone and I want to share with them something about my emotions, how I feel right now, and if they're my friends and they're responding after 15 days, that's not fair. And I don't think it's a relationship anymore. Okay? Because when I love someone as a friend, I want to talk to them every single day. I need to talk to them because they are important for me. But I really, really love all the friends I have. And also, I wanted to tell you that I have mental issues currently, and in general, I have mental issues. My mental health is not in the best mood right now. But yeah, I hope everything will be better very soon. I really miss you. I want to make videos again for you, and I really enjoy the courage and everything you're giving me, guys. Because I'm growing up because of you, and I really love you, and I really appreciate every single of you. Love you guys. Bye.